day 6 of the blizzard of 2011 of Dollar Johnson. As you can see, my breath, it is super cold out here. It's like 8 degrees. 8 degrees, that's the high today. Damn, it's cold. I'm finna sell this little snow hat we got from Lake Effect from last night. Not that that's really changed from a week ago. People are still shoveling out here, and it is frigid. Shit. I'm finna go. Just stay warm, stay inside. Don't have no car washes for a day. If you do, don't expect to get in your car next day. Again, I'm Dollar Johnson, Chicago, Illinois. I'll see you soon.